Text-related widgets. There are four main types of text-related widgets. Label, it is static text. Scroll label, horizontal scrolling text. Edit, single-line editor. Edit, multi-line editor. Text-related widgets mainly focus on the display and editing of text. And for easy comparison, I will drag 3 for each of those 4 widgets to the window page for demonstration. Next, I will introduce their usage. First, the label widget. Label widget is used to display the most basic static text. In its properties, length refers to the length of characters that can be displayed. When this value is -1, all text will be displayed. Line wrap is whether the text content can wrap, and word wrap is whether to avoid word splitting. It should be noted that word wrap will only take effect after line wrap is checked. Now there is not much difference between the two, because the sentence doesn't have independent words, so let's add some spaces. It can be seen that after adding spaces, the system will recognize words based on the spaces and ensure that the words will not be split. If it is a group of pure numbers, word wrap has no actual effect regardless of whether spaces are added. You can see the demo. Remember to make sure the label is long and high enough to display all the text content. Word wrap has no actual effect regardless for group of pure numbers. Let's try the effect of adding numbers and characters together. The current version of the GUI software cannot show the difference, but when it is actually put on the screen, the system will normally identify words according to the space and ensure that the words are not split. Scroll label. Scroll label is the horizontal scrolling text. The first condition for scrolling is that the text content is greater than the length of the label. This is the display effect of scroll label. Scroll label is a single scroll by default. If you want to play it in a loop, you can check loop in the properties. Please refer to the property effect. It will always keep playing in a loop. Check yo-yo. To achieve the scrolling effect of back and forth, please refer to the effect. Duration refers to the time it takes to complete a single scroll, in milliseconds. "1500" means 1.5 seconds to complete a single forward or backward scroll. Lull represents the interval between back and forth scrolling, which can also be understood as the label's stay time after a single scroll. The effect of scroll label is no different for pure numbers or mixed numbers and characters. Please refer to the demonstration in the video.